How to fix Facebook video lag. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the Facebook video is not working or lagging. So the most common reason for Facebook video lag is unstable internet. To check, you can open up any web browser and head over to internet speed testing sites like fast.com and check if internet is the problem. Once we have ruled out internet, the next thing you can do is simply open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down and in the preferences section, you have media. Go ahead and tap on this. Now in video quality section, if you have selected data saver, then this will reduce the video quality, which can cause the Facebook video lag. So you want to make sure that you select optimized over here. This is going to adjust videos to network conditions. Now the next thing you want to do is open up your settings, scroll down and tap on apps over here. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. You want to find Facebook from here. Now scroll down and tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, you want to open Facebook and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you can simply reinstall the application. For that, tap on uninstall and then uninstall this. After you've uninstalled the app, you can again download it from Play Store or App Store. And these are some ways by which you can fix Facebook video lag problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.